Hi there, we are at Disney's Beach Club and we have a dining reservation at Beaches and Cream at 150, which is 25 minutes away. We have just pulled up and parked in the Beach Club parking lot and we're going to head on in. We actually stayed here last time for 6 nights and it was so amazing. I'll link up the video below. We loved it so much, so we're really excited about coming here again. Yeah, I have to say, I think this is my favourite resort.
Oh yeah, I have to agree.
Yeah, you agree? Hopefully it won't smell of cigars in here. Absolutely stinks out there. Oh, that feels nice. That smell, that is the best resort smell, I think. Does it not remind you of the Urban Outfitters body spray I have?
Yeah.
It is like that, isn't it? Should we head straight towards Beaches and Cream? Yeah, Aid needs to go as well. Do you want to head up that way to the restroom?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, of course.
Do you mind?
No, not at all.
But also this area here, it's a nice size.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like a big massive
I know,
area.
like the Poly does. I know what you mean. I like how light it is in here as well.
Yeah.
I think that sells it to me.
It doesn't feel oppressive.
No, not at all. I'll see you in a sec.
So this way.
I really enjoyed our meal in Cape May. That was one of my favourite meals of last trip, actually, last year.
Yeah, that was good.
I did too. Looks all quiet.
Really?
Yeah, we did actually, didn't we? It's nice coming to a resort and knowing our way around so much as well. Oh, they're having a party out there.
Oh, we can't join in.
Sorry? Oh yeah, that was our table over there. Here we are. What is the time? Looks nice and quiet, doesn't it? Yeah, because there was lots of thunder, wasn't there?
Now.
Yeah.
I do Josh's coffee.
Oh, I can't have a coffee.
I'm just saying to do it here.
It's such a little place.
It's really weird. They do fried.
Have you not had a fried steak? No.
Fried chicken, the steak. Never have it breaded.
It's an ice cream menu here, Lou, with shakes and sodas as well. Holly's going for the fudge mud slide. That is a huge sundae.
You get your money's worth.
You do? You got Mickey ears. What was that? The mud fudge? I can't say it.
Just leave on your plate for a minute. I might have any of it. Because you don't want anyone else to have it.
Oh, she must really love you.
Holly, sure it's no announcement for Cherry.
I've gone for my usual chili cheese fries. It's got club with watermelon instead of fries. And Louis has got the Angus cheeseburger. And Holly, the ginormous mud fudge. I can't say that. Mud fudge slide. Fudge mud slide. That's an amazing club sandwich. Is it toasted bread?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've got
It's
pickle
not.
on the side.
Yeah.
Can come with fries, but you chose watermelon instead. Oh, that's it, Lou. Dip it in. Have more if you want. Really go for it. Yeah, it's like proper processed cheese. Nice. I'd say that was another really good meal in Beaches and Cream. We should all have matching t-shirts. That would be so cool. But I want one as well.
Get one.
Lou, do you still want one? Should we all have matching?
No, I want fun in the sun.
No, I like the Beach Club one. To head out of Beach Club. Yeah? I just love the smell in here. It smells amazing, doesn't it? It's a nice sunny afternoon.
Oh.
Did you enjoy that? You got a full tummy? Me too. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Saying that they must be so warm working in this weather. So Louis bought a mug. Did anyone else buy anything? I think it was just Louis. Actually, Louis, you bought a mug and a t-shirt today. You've done well. And nearly Monopoly.
And then you go to 9, 3,
I'd play Monopoly with you, Lou.
You want the PlayStation? You play once.
We're moving rooms. We are on floor 7, our new floor. So much happier in this room. We've fully unpacked as we've been half living out of cases for the last couple of days, or last 4 days, and we're much happier. And we're off to Target, and then we're going to come back. I think we're having pizza, and we're going to see the fireworks, hopefully, from our new condo. I think that dress would look really nice on you.